So, another room done, another tick off the long list. Very little money, about 10-12 pounds worth of wood, 5 pounds worth of paint, I think about 15 pounds for a set of 10 hooks we bought on eBay. Keep watching to see how we did it. Hi everyone, so we are hoping this weekend to have this wall behind me made into a coat hanger and shoe storage. So I will move the camera around to explain to you better. Plan is we're going to do right from the top. This is our entrance porch. So that's the entrance to the house there. So in here we are planning to clad all that wall with pallets and create a coat hanger, and hopefully, we are not sure what is behind that there, but we are hoping to do a bench and some storage, but we are not sure yet, so we will have to see what is behind there and see what we can work with, because at the moment we are not sure. The window definitely is going to have the cladding done. I will have to do something to the glass first, so that when we are looking through that window there, that is our day room window, we don't actually see the back of the wall, if you know what I mean. So I will have to do something to the glass. I'm probably going to spray it so that we can see the back, because the plan is just to see the front. If I can show you the beautiful views we can get from here. I actually put a chair here. Unfortunately, none of us have had the time to actually sit in here with a cup of coffee and enjoy the view so far, but at least the idea is there. Hi everyone, so Mr. B is
Hello.
getting on with that fixture wall I was talking about. I've done around for you to see. So it's we are using wood pallets,
Pallet boards, yeah.
and we're going to create this very fancy wall where we're going to use to hang coats, and the plan is for Mr. B to build a small bench in the bottom that is going to be used as a seat, really, to get your boots on and off and stuff like that. So he's been working here for a couple of hours now, so we're going to see how it's going to turn out. Mr. B is working his magic, and we have a picture wall nearly finished. 5 o'clock now. Mr. B just completed. We have family coming over for dinner in about half an hour's time, so we have to stop. But the wall is completely finished now. It's looking really nice. I believe Mr. B will be working on the bottom bit tomorrow to create a bench there that will be made with the same material as the wall. Looking very good. So, another day, another dollar, and Mr. B has now started
Good morning.
with the bench construction. So what he's doing is building a frame to create the bench, and then he's going to clad it with the same material as the wall. And let's see how it works. Right, so just to give you an update on the porch, is now finished. Mr. B bit anyway. So the wall is completed and the bench. So what I'm going to do today is all this horrible UPVC seal and the bottom bit there as well. I'm going to be painting that because we don't like it. We really don't like brown. So this is the end product now. Our wall is finished and the bench, as you can see, very handy, so that we can get our shoes on and off. All the hooks that we bought on eBay, a pack of 10. At the time we realized was very good price. They are actually cast iron with beautiful old-fashioned detail. We are really happy with it, and I have painted all that horrible brown UPVC that we had in here. We couldn't remove it, so we decided to do the best we could with it, and I think it looks really nice. We are really pleased with the way it turned out. Mr. B have done a great job.